In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoices in QuickBooks Online. Personalizing your invoices can create a polished, professional impression for your clients, helping to establish your brand's identity. So, let's dive in and get started. To begin, head to the QuickBooks website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one. QuickBooks offers a variety of plans, so choose one that best meets your business needs. Once your account is set up, or if you already have one, click the Sign In button. Enter your account credentials to gain access to QuickBooks Online. After signing in, you'll need to verify your identity. Click the I'm not a robot checkbox. This step is crucial for security purposes, ensuring that your account remains protected. Once verified, simply hit Continue to proceed. Enter your password when prompted and click Continue again. Now that you're logged in, you will need to select the appropriate company file you wish to work on. This step is essential if you manage multiple businesses within QuickBooks. Selecting the right company allows you to ensure the customization pertains to the correct business entity. From here, navigate back to the QuickBooks dashboard. Look for the Settings menu, typically represented by a gear icon, and click on it. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Custom Form Styles. Click this to access your invoice styling options. Within the Custom Form Styles section, you have the option to create a new invoice style or edit an existing one. If you're starting fresh, you'll want to click New Style and select Invoice as the form type. If you're editing, simply select the existing invoice you want to modify. Once you've selected the invoice, click on the Content tab. Here you can adjust the various sections of your invoice, such as the header, body, and footer. This section of QuickBooks allows you to tailor the layout and the information displayed to meet your specific needs. Afterward, move to the Emails tab, where you can customize how invoices are emailed to your clients. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking Save and Exit. This will ensure all your customizations are stored within QuickBooks. For more in-depth customization, click Edit to further personalize your invoice's appearance. Under the Design tab, you can choose from several template styles. To create a cohesive brand experience, it's a good idea to upload your company logo, select fonts that match your branding, and choose colors and accents that align with your business identity. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, click Done. This finalizes your personalized invoice design, ready to impress your clients. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your invoices in QuickBooks Online, making each billing statement a unique representation of your business. Remember, a well-designed invoice not only looks professional, but also encourages prompt payments. Thank you for watching.